Alayo niya. Well, I got introduced to a couple of you earlier, and a couple of you remarked, kayo palang presidente ngayon. I was also the president when you came in sa Ramangkuan. I've been president of this institution since the beginning, but you hardly saw me when I rarely came. I rarely came. I only became really involved with Pascual. I mean, I did hands-on management when my mother died. It was when? 1993. I was, when you came in, I was just thinking, you know, I've never attended the reunion. So I've always wondered what happens at the reunion. At the Ateneo where I graduated,